Samsung Galaxy A14 5G stands out as a top contender for the title of Best Budget Smartphone in 2024. This device is a testament to affordability without compromising essential features such as durability, a robust screen, a satisfactory primary camera, and a long-term software assurance. The Galaxy A14 5G, designed by Samsung, is a rather substantial handset, taking up a sizable 167.7 by 78mm footprint. The phone's 6.6-inch display is housed within relatively thick bezels, including an unusually large chin. With a thickness of 9.1 millimeters and a weight of 202 grams, the device feels quite substantial in hand. Despite its weight, the phone is entirely constructed from plastic, which may come as a surprise. The back of the A14 5G is where the design truly shines. It possesses a unique texture comprised of finely spaced, large concentric circles, or fragments of them. This texturing not only gives the phone a distinct aesthetic, but also provides excellent grip and resistance against smudges, a feature always appreciated by users. The A14 5G's 6.6-inch screen doesn't utilize Samsung's renowned OLED technology. Instead, it sports a commendable LCD. Samsung took an unconventional approach with the Galaxy A14 5G's camera setup, choosing to focus on a single 50-megapixel wide sensor without any ultra-wide or telephoto backups. However, the results suggest that this gamble has paid off. The primary sensor captures well-balanced and detailed photos, especially under good lighting conditions. It produces accurate contrast and exposure levels, pleasing skin tones, and even manages to effectively separate the subject from the background in portrait mode. The 13-megapixel front-facing camera also performs satisfactory, delivering natural-looking images without any significant overexposure issues. Rounding off its features, the A14 5G boasts a hefty 5,000 mAh battery. Despite being paired with a somewhat inefficient 7nm processor, it's capable of powering through a full day of intensive use. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G delivers impressive value for money, making it a strong contender in the budget smartphone market of 2024.